Okay, I'm going to begin the solution by answering the question from chapter 5, and then I'll do another video for 6 and so on and so forth. The first question, use the spinner below to answer the question. Assume it is equally probable that the pointer will land on any one of the 5 numbered spaces. If the pointer lands on a border, spin again. What's the probability that the arrow will land on a 3 or 1? The definition of probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by possible outcomes. So remember that, favorable divided by possible. How many possible outcomes that we don't have control of? There are 5 because you have 5 slices. Now what are the ones in your favor? It's 3 or 1. There are 2 of them, so the answer is 2/5. For the next question, a single die is rolled twice. There are 36 outcomes and they're listed for you here, guys. What is the probability that you would get a sum greater than 9? A sum greater than 9, it's a 10 or 11 or 12. Here you go. I underlined, the ordered pairs that will give a sum of 10, 11 or 12. 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. If you add them up, you get 6 of them. And your possible outcomes is 36, so the answer is 1/6. For number 3. The manager of used car lot took inventory of the automobiles in his lot and constructed the following table based on the age of his car and its make, foreign or domestic. A car was randomly selected from a lot. Given that the car selected was a foreign car, what's the probability that it was older than 2 years? Once, guys, he says the word given, then what comes after given should be your denominator. He says given that the car is a foreign car. So how many foreign cars in total do we have? We have 100 of them. So you can see my denominator is 100. Now what goes in the numerator? He wants the car to be a foreign car and older than 2 years. How many cars are older than 2 years in foreign? I circled them. So if you add them up, guys, you will get 65. 26 plus 14 plus 25, so this is 65/100. If you reduce the answer, it would be 13/20. Number 4, again, conditional probability. That's important. Overnight shipping business has skyrocketed in the last 10 years. The single greatest predictor of company success has been customer service. A study was conducted to study the customer satisfaction level for one overnight shipping business. In addition to the customer satisfaction level, the customer were asked how often they use the service. The results are shown below. The consumer is chosen at random. Given that the customer uses the company less than 2 times per month. You see, guys, what comes after given should go in the denominator. Less than 2 times per month. How many? What's the total for less than 2 times per month? It's 400. You can see I put 400 there. What is the probability that they express low satisfaction with the company? So what is the probability of low satisfaction given that they use the company for less than 2 times a month? What goes in the numerator? In the numerator is where the low satisfaction and less than 2 months meet. Low satisfaction, as you can see, guys, it's right here, and less than 2 months is right there. So where is those 2 arrows meet at 10? So the answer is 10/400, or if you want to write it, it's 1/40. Okay, so that concludes chapter 5 review. That's all I want you to know in chapter 5. Very basic definitions and questions.